Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a SuccessFactors account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register or create a SuccessFactors account on your computer, just open up a preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there, type in the address sap.com and hit on enter, and you'll be redirected to the home page of SAP or the SuccessFactors solutions. Over here you can see. And now to sign up for a SuccessFactors or a SAP account, to be precise, you can see this is the home page and there is the register now button available for us. Simply click on the register now button, or you can just simply click on the person icon at the top right corner of the screen where the sign up and your verification as well as the login button will be available. Here is the login button, guys. So if you want to log in, just click on the login button and proceed to the sign in procedure of the SuccessFactors or SAP. But in order to sign up for your free access, you'll be required to enter your credentials from over here. And to do that, enter your business email address, enter your first name, your last name, your company name, and after that enter your country or region, guys. Let's go. And after that enter your phone number and choose the department. On which department do you want to be, or like from the administration to the e-commerce, engineering, design, healthcare and health safety. Let's go with the editorial for now, and enter your relationship to SAP. You want to be a partner, go for it. Press analyst for like prospective customer, prospective partner. You can do any of these, but I'll be just going with SAP employee, and you can see by checking these prospective channels below, I agree that my content is can be used by SAP to send me news about SAP products and services. And you can also see choose your emails or your phone numbers for this one or to this option provided by SuccessFactors or the SAP. And again, click on over here where it says that I have read and understood the terms and conditions of the SAP.com, and click on submit, guys. And after that, verification link will be sent on your email address. The moment you click on submit, you'll be directed to another page after the registration, and you will have to fill out some more details and customize your account, guys. And but also a verification link will be sent to you on this email address, and open up your email address which you registered over here. And on that email address you'll find the mail from the SAP. Click on that, open that mail and click on the verification link, and then you will have verified your SAP or your SuccessFactors account. And after that, you will have already created an account on SAP, and you will be able to use it easily. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a SuccessFactors or a SAP account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.